to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to source for all things home improvement and design. Today, we're diving into the world of DIY furniture and exploring the rustic charm of pallet wood TV stands. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. By repurposing reclaimed pallets, you can create a unique and eco-friendly piece of furniture that adds character to your living room. A pallet wood TV stand is a television stand constructed from repurposed wooden pallets. This DIY project allows you to create a custom piece of furniture that fits your specific needs and style. There are several compelling reasons to choose pallet wood TV stand design. 1. Eco-friendly. Repurposing pallets reduces waste and promotes sustainability. 2. Cost-effective. Pallet wood is often free or inexpensive, making it a budget-friendly option. 3. Unique and personalized. You can customize the design to fit your specific style and space. 4. Rustic charm. Pallet wood adds a natural and rustic touch to your living room. Pallet wood TV stands. These DIY masterpieces not only add a touch of natural beauty to your living room, but also provide ample storage and a unique focal point. Here are some ideas for how to decorate with pallet wood TV stand design to look good. First, embrace the rustic aesthetic. Pair your pallet wood TV stand with other rustic elements, such as woven baskets, reclaimed wood decor, and natural textures. Second, industrial chic. Combine your pallet wood TV stand with industrial-style accents, like metal pipes, exposed brick, and Edison bulbs. Third, modern minimalism. Keep your decor simple and minimalist to let the natural beauty of the pallet wood shine. Fourth, bohemian. Add bohemian touches like colorful textiles, macrame wall hangings, and eclectic accessories. We hope this video has inspired you to unleash your creativity and create a stunning pallet wood TV stand. By embracing DIY and sustainable design, you can transform your living room into a stylish and eco-friendly space. If you're ready to embark on your DIY pallet wood project, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home decor and DIY ideas. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.